嘅第5名係
The fourth runner-up is
Miss Korea.
Miriam Kim, Miss Korea. Our fourth runner-up, Miss Korea, Miriam Kim.
恭喜韓國小姐，恭喜！好啦，跟住同大家宣布本年度亞太小姐嘅第4名啦。
Ladies and gentlemen, the third runner-up is
第4名係北尼科西亞小姐。
Miss Northern Nicosia. Congratulations to Miss Fatma Anil.
Miss Northern Nicosia, or Miss Cyprus. Third runner-up, 1988, Miss Asia Pacific Beauty Quest.
恭喜恭喜恭喜北尼科西亞小姐，恭喜你
！1988年度亞太小姐競選嘅季軍係
The second runner-up is
以色列小姐
Miss Israel Revital Moore。
恭喜以色列小姐！各位朋友，而家馬上同大家宣布本年度嘅亞軍啦。
And the first runner-up is
1988年度亞太小姐競選嘅亞軍係墨西哥小姐
Miss Mexico. Congratulations to Miss Elsie Kurola.
Our first runner-up, Miss Mexico, naturally will take over the duties of Miss Asia if Miss Asia fails to comply with her obligations.
恭喜墨西哥小姐！
多謝李鵬飛議員。
多謝多謝。
Thank you, Mr. Lee。
嗱，各位嘉賓、各位朋友，
真係好緊張。
係啦，真係好緊張。而家台上面咧就剩翻4位佳麗喺度。喺呢4位佳麗當中，其中有一位就係本年度嘅亞太小姐啦。你估係邊位呢？
嗱，喺宣佈之前呢，我哋首先請1987年度嘅亞太小姐巴拿馬小姐出場。
Ladies and gentlemen, the 1987 Miss Asia Pacific, Selenia Prada.
This moment is one of great meaning in my life. Some would think the end of the reign, but to me, it is the beginning of more wonderful experiences that life has ahead for me. It was an honor to become Miss Asia Pacific 1987. Not only because of all the responsibilities one has as a title holder, but because many people got to know about my country, Panama. For each contestant, my wish is that they continue cultivating the beauty of the heart and spirit. And for the new Miss Asia Pacific 1988 to hold high all principles that are righteous, not only before man, but God. I thank so deeply all the people that supported me and prayed for me. And finally, someone I must give all glory and praise, for he will always reign in me, Jesus Christ.
啦，各位朋友，而家真係今晚最緊張嘅時刻啦！而家咧我就打開喺我手上最後一個信封，換言之，即係馬上要宣佈本年度亞太小姐嘅名字。
你唔好咁慢動作啊，劉先生，我又心跳又頭暈，又真係覺得好驚好驚。
你冷靜啲，你冷靜啲。其實我一樣好緊張，在場嘅各位嘉賓以及喺電視機前面嘅觀眾一樣咁緊張。好啦，各位朋友，1988年亞太小姐冠軍係
Miss Asia 87 will crown Miss Asia 88.
大聲啲！
Miss Asia is
好啦，唔好嚇我啦，我話俾你知，1988年度亞太小姐係泰國小姐。
Rihanna Bamprada, the new Miss Asia.
泰國小姐，我哋亦都多謝1987年度嘅亞太小姐巴拿馬小姐為我哋頒獎。
We want to thank Miss Selenia Prada, Miss Asia 1987, and congratulate her for a year that's been great and marvelous. And welcome the new Miss Asia 1988, Miss Thailand, Miss Bamprada.
本年度嘅亞太小姐咧已經誕生咗啦，我哋喺呢度誠心祝福1988年度嘅亞太小姐，即係泰國小姐，恭喜你！
喺緊張又歡樂嘅氣氛之中，1988年嘅亞太小姐競選已經正式圓滿結束啦。
係啦，我哋今日嘅節目咧能夠咁成功咁演出咧，我哋要多謝好多朋友，同時亦都要多謝咧我哋嘅拍檔朱慧珊小姐、張國強先生、顧紀坤小姐、吳毅章先生、郭子彤小姐、鄧子峰先生、劉天君先生，以及 Mr. Eddie Mercado。
仲有就係 Kindred Spirits 黃雪珊小姐、香港舞蹈團陳如小姐、特別編舞錢秀玲小姐、舞台監督 Mr. Roger Hanna 同埋韓龍集舞蹈團，仲有我哋嘅特別嘉賓黃敏德先生 Mr. Michael Fortunati。多謝各位。
我哋更加多謝咧，我哋台前幕後嘅各位同事嘅努力，亦都多謝各位嘉賓今日嘅光臨，亦都好多謝各位喺電視機前面欣賞我哋節目嘅觀眾朋友，多謝各位嘅支持，祝各位晚安，明年再會，拜拜。
拜拜。